Code Create Conquer. Welcome to Synergy's Hackathon.
Innovation means articulation. Present your ideas and make an impact.
Clash of ideas, battle of minds. Who will have the final word?
One quiz, one winner. Will it be you?
Unleash your creativity. Design the face of the future.
Plastic balls when I copy my steel.
Got my heart no in a bed.
From coding battles to creative clashes, the stage is set for brilliance. So step up and claim your chance to win. Because the future belongs to those who dare to compete.
Welcome to
Welcome to Synergy 25, where ideas ignite, creativity soars, and the future of technology takes center stage. Hosted by Amitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic, united the brightest young minds in innovation, pushing the boundaries of knowledge and collaboration. Across 6 action-packed days, students showcased groundbreaking projects, tackled thrilling challenges. The next generation of tech leaders is ready to shine. Get ready to relieve the energy, the passion, and the game-changing moments of Synergy 25. With over 200 teams and 500 plus students participating, Synergy 25 wasn't just an event, it was a movement, a dynamic platform where problem solvers, thinkers, and creators came together to redefine excellence. From fierce coding battles to mind-bending debates, every competition tested skills, creativity, and resilience. But beyond the rivalry, Synergy 25 was about connection, an opportunity to learn, grow, and inspire one another on the journey to innovation. The atmosphere was charged as 25 teams geared up for an intense coding marathon with 96 brilliant minds at work. This was a test of endurance, creativity, and technical prowess. Participants from institutions like Kalsekar Polytechnic and Bahusaheb Vartak Polytechnic joined forces with Amitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic students, battling through 3 rigorous rounds, from 24 teams in round 1 to 17 in round 2. Only the top 6 elite teams fought their way to the grand finale. After hours of non-stop coding and strategic problem solving, the champions emerged. Participants shared how the challenges pushed their problem-solving skills to new heights, tested their endurance, and left them hungry for more. Judges commended the teams for their technical teamwork. Hackathon competition are as follows. The first place is secured by group number 3, which includes members Neele K. Joshi, Megh P. Bari, Prathamesh S. Arote, Sridhar B. Khorte from Bahusaheb Vartak Polytechnic. The second place to be awarded to group number 18, which includes members Urusa Sheikh, Zainab Sheikh, Sumayya Sayyad, Mehndi Sheikh from Amitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic. The third place is awarded to group number 6, which includes members Saad Khan, Adnan Qureshi, Anas Qureshi, and Naufal Sheikh from Amitsabu Siddiq. Day 2 took us into the world of cutting-edge research as students stepped up for the technical paper presentation. This was where knowledge met vision, as 42 teams delivered powerful, well-researched presentation on the latest technological advancements. With 84 participants, including teams from external institutions ranging from artificial intelligence to quantum computing. Industry experts and academic professionals were truly impressed by the depth of research and the confident delivery of each presentation. Winners of the technical paper presentation are as follows. The first place is secured by group number 12, including students Yukta Sachin, Sanya Peter from Bahu Sahib Vartak Polytechnic. The second place is awarded to group number 8, including members Khan Aman, Sheikh Fawaz and Ganesh Jaiswal from Amitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic. The third place is secured by group number 6, which includes members Ansari Ariba and Khan Ariba from Amitsabu Siddiq. Creativity and innovation took center stage on day 3 as participants dove into the world of design in the thrilling design fusion competition. With 55 teams and 110 participants, this challenge pushed boundaries, calling for originality, skills, and out-of-the-box thinking. As the competition unfolded, the top 11 team dazzled the judges with their unique, template-free designs, proving that design is where logic meets artistry. The winners of the Design Fusion competition are as follows. Group number 54, Khan Avesh from Amitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic secured first place. The second place was secured by group number 13, including members Anas Qureshi and Saad Khan from Amitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic. The third place is awarded to group number 6, including members Mustafa Ansari and Nauman Sheikh from Amitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic. Synergy 25 wasn't just about technology, it was about bold ideas and the power of words. Day 4 set the stage for intense debates where 49 teams, including external participants, went head to head in the thought-provoking discussions. After 3 rounds of compelling arguments and powerful rebuttals, the top 6 teams stood out with their articulation, critical thinking, and persuasive delivery, earning the admiration of both judges and the audience. The winners of the debate competition are as follows. The first place is secured by Group 19, including members Arpit Lakshikant, Saqib Sheikh from Amitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic. The second place to be awarded to group number 74, Harsh More and Gautam Sidhwani from Vivekanand Polytechnic. The third place to be awarded to group number 44, Sayyid Sumayya and Sheikh Urusa from Amitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic. The grand finale of Synergy 25 put knowledge, strategy, and quick thinking to the test. The technical quiz saw 74 teams and 148 participants competing in an electrifying battle with 5 nail-biting rounds. The competition narrowed down to the top 4 teams who faced off in a dramatic, high-energy finale filled with rapid-fire questions and strategic problem-solving. The winners of the competition are as follows. The first place is secured by group number 22, including participants Khan Zoya Javed and Ikra Sheikh from Amitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic, first year. Second place to be awarded to group number 26, Sultan Shakil Khan, Muhammad Farhan Sayyed from Mitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic, first year. The third place is to be awarded to group number 21, Khan Arsalan and Khan Ali Abbas from Mitsabu Siddiq Polytechnic, second year. As Synergy 25, we celebrate not only the winners but every participant who brought their passion, ingenuity, and determination to the event. This has been an unforgettable journey of learning, collaboration, and innovation. The future is bright and the possibilities are endless. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep breaking barriers. Thank you so much.